what's up? Great morning!
This is Great Life. Now in Hong Kong, Macau. This is Central. Tawid ka Quiapo. Diretso dulo. Divisoria.
Alright, let's go! Let's go to Lataw Island. Mag-beach tayo. Dito kami magla-lunch. Ano? Ilang set ka na?
Ito. Masarap. Fine.
Hi guys, after kumain ng lunch, ito, pizza naman. Timbi namin. Tingnan namin kung pwede maligo mamaya.
This is my part-time job today.
Let's cheers, my friend! Katatapos ko lang i-try mag-surfing dito sa Lantau Beach, dito sa Hong Kong. And so far, sobrang ganda na experience at napakasaya. We're here at City Gate right now. We will be experiencing traveling using the MTR.
Take my hand and we can run like tigers underneath the sun. The moon is old, the night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, come let your soul and mind unite. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky.
So ayun guys, yung pagsakay sa tram ay pagsakay lang din sa normal, diba? Bayad ka, sasakay ka. Mas mataas nga lang siya. Mas mataas lang siya. Lakad na tayo papunta sa ating restaurant for dinner.
Let's light up the sky.
BP, anong pinagkaiba ng ng Taiwan tsaka Hong Kong?
Every country kasi in-enjoy ko eh. Hindi ko siya mako-compare. Ibang pagkain sa Taiwan, ibang pagkain sa Singapore, ibang pagkain sa Hong Kong. So, yun yung essence ng travel.
Oh, wow.
Na pag pumunta ka sa Hong Kong, iba na din ang culture, iba rin ang pag-uugali ng mga tao dito. So, kaya yung ginagawa natin ngayon sa Great Life, it's a experience.
Wow.
Na yung mga lakad-lakad, syempre sa Pilipinas, di naman tayo naglalakad ng malayo.
Tama.
So, dito, doon natin matututunan na ang buhay pala, talagang kailangan ma-explore.
Ayun.
Na ang buhay ay hindi lang umiikot sa office, bahay, kundi kailangan i-explore mo yung mundo.
Tama.
Kaya itong travel natin, enjoyin natin.
Tama.
Every puyat, every pagod, every kwentuhan, it's always an experience for everyone.
Tama. Sarap. BP, saan tayo next? Saan tayo next? Derechana! Hindi, Derechana! Tanong na!
Ngayon, after nito, uwi tayo ng hotel, and tomorrow, enjoy natin
Disneyland! Doon!
Euros, masarap din. Iba-iba rin yung Dubai, marami. Hindi ko siya ma-explain, hindi ko siya parang hindi incomparable.
Wow.
Kasi may kanya-kanya tayo favorite country.
Yan.
So ito, check na tayo, Hong Kong, na-check na rin natin yung Dubai,
Japan.
na-check na rin natin yung Japan. So yung next destination, hindi na pa natin alam sa ngayon, pero sure may kasunod to.
Yun! Thank you, baby! Imagine mo bulag ka. Paano ka hingin pagkain? Okay, pwede, no? Pwede. Hindi, kunwari hihingi ka ng inumin. Paano ka hihingi ng inumin? Nawaw ka eh.
Kunyari, bulag.
Bulag ka.
Bulag.
Paano ka hihingi ng inumin? Saging. Saging, paano ka hihingi ng saging? Saging. Pag bulag, di ba hindi naman pipi? Hi guys, for today's activity, dito tayo ngayon mamamasyal sa Disneyland.
Hong Kong.
First date natin sa Star City.
Oh. Ngayon magkasawa
Ngayon,
na.
Disneyland na kami. Woo! Ayun na. Woo! Papakapagod muna tayo ngayon. E-enjoy natin ang Disneyland.
Magpapaka-feeling bata for today.
We're now here inside Disneyland.
Hey, hey, little tiny deed is here to say, spreading love and joy every single day.
Wow,
got the
that's the
beats, got the
castle.
style, gonna make you dance, make you smile. Yeah, let's go to world, together we'll shine. With our voices so sweet, the light of the night. Come join the party. Feel the love in the air. Tiny divas taking over, we're beyond compare. Hey, hey, through the moonlit nights and the sunlit days, and the deepest dance in a magical haze. Bows in our hair, dreams in our hearts. We're tiny divas, our bodies color the world. Together we'll shine. Voices so smooth, the world together we'll shine. With our voices so sweet, the light of the night. Come join the party. Feel the love in the air.
Try natin to. Toy Story Land ng Disneyland.
Hey, partners! Boy, am I glad to see you!
Me too! I'm glad to see you, Woody. Let's go! That's our next ride. Ano, excited ka na dito? Woo! Kayang-kaya natin to. Kayang-kaya natin. Let's go!
For your safety, remain seated.
Grabe, solid! Nakinig ka todo. Ano? Inaantok ka kanina. Dito kami. Ano? Solid! Ay, grabe. Wala na!
Tiny divas taking over. Oh, oh. Tiny divas.
開始啦！真係要有神奇魔法幫手先講得切啊！哇！我知我係問邊個幫手啫？
Yan, paano mo ipo-projector yung ganyan?
What a celebration! 你们觉得怎么样呢 Well, I thought a few changes might be nice. We'll make it blue. Oh, no, dear. Make it pink. Make it blue. Make it pink. Blue. Oh, 看看你们做的好事。Now, a party needs a joyful sound. A little magic makes music extra sweet.
Wow! 真係好精彩啊！而家有請樂隊出場。
to be, you must spend it with friends and family. Family! Come!
Bro, ano masasabi mo dito sa ride na to?
Eh, hindi natin alam kung nag-aantay sa atin dito.
Ganon? Kung makakalabas pa tayo ng buhay?
Oo, kailangan buwan loob mo.
Buwan loob mo.
Pangalawa, dito masukat yung talagang tibay ng dibdib.
Yun.
Oo, kaya kung taga great life ka, great leader ka, pag napunta ka sa lahat ng Disneyland, ito hanapin mo. Sigurado, hindi mo
Payin na tayo.
Wala na. Payin na kami. Ay, nanginginig lahat ng kakababa oh. Nanginginig, nagsusuka. Ayan na, ayan na. Uy bro, may nahimatay pa dun oh. Grabe.
kailangan salida ng dugo.
Grabe. Mukhang malupit nga to. Kasi may huling habilin, last chance to exit daw eh. Ibig sabihin, huling choice mo na mag-quit na.
Walang mag-quit, walang mag-quit.
Never quit, never give up.
Sige, pambata yata to, Coach Mark eh.
Hindi na doon si Nemo.
Pambata yata to eh. Oh. Ganda!
Meanwhile,
Tama, tama.
Sumakit dyan ko kakasigaw! Guys! Bro, tama ka! Bro, tama ka! Grabe guys, di kami makaget over.
Pag namin.
Woo! Grabe, nabudol kami!
Disneyland yun.
Grabe, ang lupit! Alright, we're here na sa Ironman. Alright, dito naman tayo. Ironman experience. Front seat tayo, front seat. Ironman, let's do this. Hi guys, we're now here in Pacific Place 2. So we will be having our lunch here. Ayan, Japanese courtesy by our very good friend. Okay na. And of course, as always, ayan, let's shoot. Direct po. So far, what's your favorite, Direct Bong?
It's all different.
Wow, English.
With all every plate
Every plate
has its own distinct personality and
Wow.
taste.
So, let's make it harder. Can you tell something?
Okay, this one.
Each? Okay,
This one, this is perfect because
That's what
it
I like.
has a bit of sweetness
Wow.
outside,
Wow.
but inside
Inside.
it's tender.
tender. Wow. Juicy?
Yeah.
You mean
Outside it's like tocino.
Tocino.
Just to this one,
Alright.
it's like lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali, but on a different level.
On a different level.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Level 1, level 2.
Yeah. On a higher level of consciousness. This one. This one is perfect.
Wow.
Crispy.
Can you show us how to eat that?
Okay. You choose the black chopsticks.
Chopsticks, alright.
Because the white one is for
Oh.
what?
Yung black is ginagamit siya pag kukuha ka ng food. Pero etong white, pansarili.
Oo. But I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel. I don't conform to the rules. I get and then I eat.
Pero kasi hindi ko naman tinatouch yung mga food. Kaya isa lang yung gamit ko. Ginaganon ko siya.
Okay. Ano parang ano ni? Yung ang tawag doon? Service ano?
Oh, serving spoon.
Serving spoon. Yon, serving spoon.
Pero pinaka-favorite yung tocino, ano?
Yeah.
Try this, right? You tried this a while ago.
Yeah.
I saw you eating this.
Yeah, very healthy.
Very healthy.
For the health conscious.
Health
and
recommended for the health conscious.
Yeah, and for the
conscious effort.
For the conscious effort of the eating environment. That one is
Very
the best.
inspirational. Very inspirational.
If you are a plant lover,
Okay.
you cannot eat this one.
Herbivore.
No. You are a plant lover. You value the life of the plant.
Oh.
So you don't eat that one. Just like animal lovers, we don't eat animals. So if you're a plant lover, you don't eat this one.
Okay.
And if you're a fungi lover, because fungi is the mushroom. Fungi.
You're like Kuya Kim.
Kuya Kim.
You know everything.
Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim.
You know everything.
Kuya Kim.
Ito naman ang tinatawag.
Why, Ray Langit. Oh.
Yeah.
Kuya Kim turned to Ray Langit.
No. Ito naman ang tinatawag na mushroom kuchay. Ay, what you...
You know everything. You're like Kuya Kim at Cienza.
Yeah, because every time I go to the CR,
Okay.
I Google trivia. Masiging may kalaman.
It's time for you to find out.
Oh. Yan yung talong.
Ito yung talong. Ito ang taba.
Taba.
Membership ko para may points ako.
Oh, membership. Kanya-kanyang punch lang binili. Oh, that's how you do it here in Hong Kong, guys. So ito ngayon ang bill. Dito tayo sa Great. Pang Great Life lang to eh. Oh. Dapat dito talaga mga taga Great Life eh. Oh, yeah. Yan. Yes, so yan. Oh. Diba, ma-experience yung maging cashier sa buhay niyo. Kaya magpa-punch.
Pero sa Hong Kong.
Pero sa Hengkeng. Hengkeng.
Kain naman tayo ng authentic Chinese food. Oh, looks yummy. Wow. Ready ka na? Ready ka na?
Let's taste it.
Come on. First taste. Wow. Right, it's time.
10 over 10.
Guys, we're now here in Central. And thank you, Kuya Jay. Alright, Mr. Soft Ice Cream. Wow. Ayan o. Saan? Oo.
na-spend yung showtime. Di ba nag-Hong Kong silang lahat.
Ay, nice. Come here in Hong Kong and try this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sabi nga sila
Ate Lot and Kuya
hindi ka na
Jay.
makapunta ng Hong Kong pag di mo natikman.
Wow.
Dapat itatry mo talaga yan. Kasi yung track na yan, bihira yan. Hindi mo
Ay!
makikita kahit saan.
Kahit saan, oh.
Then one more thing yan, 5 bus.
Yeah, oh. Yung top down.
Yung top
Parang nabibentahan daw yata yun eh.
And then may sakay naman dito. Tapos ang ruta niyan, dito Central Island. Iba rin papunta naman sa Jordan.
Iniikot talaga.
Huwag lang weekend para sumakay dyan o kaya Chinese holiday, Hong Kong holiday. Kaya pupuntahan yung mga mainland dyan.
Hi guys, bali right now we're experiencing Harbor Cruise. Yan, dito sa may Hong Kong. How's the experience?
Nakakatakot pero exciting.
Wow, this is the view. We will show you. Yan.
Ito yung cruise na mabango.
Oh, ano. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng view. TST. Yan. Lakas ng hangin. Saka Coach Moss.
Hello.
Hi, Ma'am Shell. Ayan, si BPJ. Si Ate Beach. And si Press. And the Press. Thank you, Press. Thank you, Great Life. Ayan, oh. Ma'am Jen. Hi, ka, Ma'am Jen. Guys, hi. Where are you? Wow. Hi, Shell. Hello, Padre Kuko.
Hi, Padre.
Are you enjoying the night?
Of course, this is the night that I've been waiting for.
Wait. Parang kanta yun ah. Tonight, this is the night. Wow.
Sunday ngayon.
Oh.
Lord Maid.
Ayan. Wow, what a great experience. Pag pupunta kayo ng Hong Kong, you must try this. Ayan. So pag-picture kahit saan, ang gaganda ng mga angles. Ayan, ang ganda ng view. Ang lamig, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon dito sa Hong Kong. Ayan. So what an experience. And the good news is all for free because of Great Life. Ayan. Kaya paulit-ulit ko nasasabi, thank you Great Life. Dahil we have a chance to experience this. Right? Trabaho sa Pilipinas, hataw sa Pilipinas. Pero sabi nga mag-enjoy at magpapahinga sa ibang bansa. Thank you very much, Madam Press. Ayan guys, together with us, the couple, Sir Aldred and Ma'am Joby. Alright, how's this experience?
Wow, iba ang pakiramdam pag nasa cruise ka. Alam mo, yung level of confidence mo, kung paano mo bombay ang negosyo mo, tataas ng tataas. Bakit? Na-experience mo. Nandito ka sa cruise ngayon. Hong Kong pa.
Tama talaga eh. I remember yung unang cruise ko sa Subic Bay.
Yes, tama.
This is my second time pero ngayon nasa Hong Kong tayo.
Hong Kong naman. Wow, you might never know. Baka next time nagko-cruise tayo sa ibang bansa.
Wow. And it begins all by lang to. Parang pangarap lang.
Tama.
Pero nung nangangarap kami parang hindi ko ma-achieve yung mga ganitong bagay. And dito sa Great Life walang imposible. Bakit? Napapabilang po tayo sa magandang kumpanya, magandang leadership ng ating Master Ryan. Ayan. And of course, kaming mag-asawa, sa mga members natin na hindi pa namin kasama ngayon. We believe sa mga susunod na travel natin, galingan po natin, itodo natin dahil ito todo rin namin.
Yeah!